Cold garages making it tough to get anything done? A good heater can turn that space into a place you actually want to work in, even on the harshest winter days. But with so many options claiming big power and wide coverage, it's hard to know which ones truly warm the entire room. In this video, we break down 10 garage heaters that actually deliver real, full-space heat. Let's get into it. If your garage never seems to warm up, even with multiple small heaters running, this ceiling-mounted unit from Comfort Zone delivers the kind of heavy-duty warmth that actually makes a difference mounted overhead. It keeps your floor clear and sends heat across the entire room with a strong, consistent push of airflow. The fan doesn't just blow warm air, it circulates it in a way that reaches corners and work areas quickly. The adjustable mounting bracket lets you angle the heater exactly where you need coverage, which is useful for long or oddly shaped garages. The steel housing feels rugged and ready for real workshop environments, handling dust, cold starts, and long runtime without concern. Once installed, it creates stable, reliable heat that makes winter jobs far more comfortable. This is the kind of no-nonsense heater you choose when you want something powerful, fixed in place, and built to last. This TEMPWARE 5000-watt model offers the kind of warmth that transforms a cold garage into a workable space. But what sets it apart is the level of control you get. As a hardwired unit, it provides steady, reliable power, making it ideal for year-round workshops or larger garages. The digital controller is a standout feature, allowing you to set the exact temperature you want instead of adjusting vague dials. Once set, the heater maintains that warmth consistently. The fan-forced system ensures heat spreads quickly throughout the room, so you're not working in cold pockets or waiting forever for the temperature to rise. The build quality feels sturdy and designed for long-term use, and the mounting hardware offers stable placement. It's a strong match for anyone who wants both power and precision. Simple to use, dependable, and effective for medium and large spaces. The CZ230ER brings a layer of convenience that makes garage heating feel effortless. Instead of walking over to adjust temperature or settings, the included remote lets you control everything from across the room. That matters when you're working at a bench or moving around the space. The adjustable louvers allow you to direct the heat exactly where you want it, giving you more flexibility than fixed output heaters. Built with a heavy-duty steel housing, it's designed to handle tough garage environments, regular use, and long heating sessions. Because it's hardwired, it provides stable, uninterrupted power that warms not just a corner but the entire space. Whether your garage doubles as a workshop, storage area, or hobby room, this heater offers strong performance with minimal fuss. It's reliable, easy to operate, and delivers the kind of whole-room warmth that keeps you working comfortably even on the coldest days. Some garages feel impossible to warm, especially if they're uninsulated. The NEWAIR G56 steps in with the kind of punch you normally only get from permanent units. At 5,600 watts, it throws out a surprising amount of heat for something you can pick up and move. The sturdy carry handle makes it easy to position wherever you're working, under a workbench, near a project corner, or pointed directly at the main area you use most. Its plug-in design eliminates the need for wiring, so you can set it up in minutes. Once running, the fan pushes warm air through the room with consistent force, gradually turning a cold garage into a space you can actually stay in. The metal housing feels strong and stable, and the controls are simple enough that you're not fiddling around in the cold. For anyone who needs whole garage heat without installing a ceiling unit or hardwiring a system, this is a dependable, straightforward option that gets the job done. Transition. Now let's move to a Comfort Zone heater built for even larger spaces with upgraded safety features. When you're heating an oversized garage or a space with tall ceilings, you need something that goes beyond standard wattage. This 10,000-watt Comfort Zone model delivers exactly that. It outputs a noticeably stronger stream of warm air, filling big areas far faster than mid-range heaters. Even with the power boost, the safety features are well considered. Overheat protection shuts the unit down if temperatures climb too high, and the tip-over sensors add peace of mind, especially helpful if your garage doubles as a busy workspace. The heater can be mounted on either the wall or the ceiling, giving you flexibility based on your layout. Once installed, it becomes a steady, reliable source of heat during long winter months. The build quality reflects its purpose. It's meant for real garages, workshops, and spaces where tools, dust, and constant activity are part of the environment. For anyone needing full-room heat in a large open area, this unit brings impressive power with strong protective measures baked in. Transition. Next is a hardwired fan-forced heater built to run day after day in work-heavy spaces. This CTSC heater is designed for people who use their garage like a second workspace, places where the heat needs to stay consistent for hours, not just warm up a corner. Being hardwired gives it a stable power supply, making the temperature more predictable and steady. The fan system inside pushes warm air through the room at a solid, even pace rather than blasting hot air in one direction. You can fine-tune the comfort level using the adjustable thermostat, a useful detail if you move between tasks and want different temperature settings throughout the day. The metal housing and overall construction feel durable enough for daily use in workshops or studios where equipment is constantly moving around. Once installed, it quietly becomes part of the space, reliable, strong, and ready whenever you switch it on. This is the kind of heater you put in when you want something dependable for the long haul. Cold corners in a small garage can make even quick tasks feel uncomfortable. The TURBRO fan-forced heater solves that with a compact metal body that puts out more warmth than its size suggests. It's easy to carry, easy to position, and starts delivering heat almost immediately once switched on. The fan helps push the warmth outward instead of letting it pool in one spot, so you feel the temperature rise faster. Its metal housing gives it a sturdy, workshop-ready feel, and the built-in tip-over protection adds peace of mind if you're moving tools or supplies around while it's running. Because it's small and lightweight, it works well for garages that don't need a full-size heater, or for people who prefer to warm the area they're standing in rather than the entire room. Whether you're working near a bench, checking equipment, or tackling a small project on a cold day, it brings focused heat without taking up much space. The TEMPWARE MILKHOUSE heater brings back a classic design that has earned its place in countless workshops and sheds. Its metal frame is built to handle dirt, tools, and the everyday bumps that happen in busy garages. The large carry handle makes it easy to reposition as you move around, which is helpful when you want warmth right where you're working. The adjustable thermostat gives you simple, clear control over the temperature. No complicated menus or extra steps. It warms up quickly and pushes heat forward with enough force to cut through the chill in small to mid-size areas. This style of heater has been popular for generations because it just works. Sturdy, portable, and steady. If your workspace gets cold fast or you're often switching between tasks, this heater is the kind you can pick up, set down, and rely on without thinking twice. The BONNLO hardwired heater is designed for people who want consistent warmth without constantly adjusting settings. Once installed, it becomes a permanent part of the garage, drawing stable power and delivering steady heat through its heavy-duty fan system. The thermostat dial is intentionally simple. No screens or complex menus, just a reliable way to fine-tune the room temperature. The fan distributes heat across the space at a comfortable pace, making it well-suited for long work sessions or garages used as everyday work studios. The metal housing gives it durability for rougher environments, and because it's mounted and hardwired, it stays out of the way while doing its job. If you want a heater that you turn on, trust, and forget about while you focus on your work, this one fits that role perfectly. The VEVOR 5000-watt heater is built for people who want the whole garage warm, not just the spot they're standing in. Its fan-forced system pushes heat with real strength, spreading warmth across the room instead of letting it sit close to the unit. The wide-angle louvers are a key part of that performance. They allow you to direct the airflow exactly where it's needed, whether that's toward a workbench, a storage area, or simply the center of the room for balanced coverage. With 5,000 watts behind it, the temperature rises quickly, even in garages that usually take forever to warm up. The metal housing feels durable and ready for everyday workshop environments, while built-in overheat protection adds a layer of safety during long heating sessions. Once mounted and wired in, it becomes a reliable workhorse. Strong airflow, steady temperature, and warming the entire space without effort. It's the kind of heater that makes winter projects feel far more manageable. That wraps up our list of garage heaters that actually warm the whole space. Hopefully this helps you choose the right one for your setup. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.